As we sit here today, Kenya does not currently have a specific data protection legislation. However, data protection bill is already tabled in the parliament. It was tabled this year. And once the bill will give effect to the Article 31C of the Constitution, which outlines the right of every person not to have information relating to their family or their private affairs and necessarily required. Article 31D, the right not to have the privacy of their communication infringed. It would also regulate the collection, retrieval, processing, storage or storing, use and disclosure of personal data. Justification for the bill and salient features. According to the draft bill, the object of the legislation is to protect the privacy of individuals and the personal data by regulating the collection and processing of the data. The bill also seeks to provide for the rights of persons whose data is collected and the obligation of the data collectors, data processors and data controllers, as well as to regulate the use of disclosure of personal data. Existing legal framework that we have at the moment, while Article 31 of the Kenya Constitution provides for the citizens' right to privacy, there is currently no law to protect the privacy of an individual data, despite the large amount of citizen data collected by the government departments and private entities on a regular basis. The Kenya Data Protection Policy 2018 was formulated to streamline citizen biodata. More concerning is that citizen data is currently collected with no guarantee of its protection and privacy, just as I had earlier mentioned to you. Existing laws, the Kenya Information and Communication Act 2015, the Media Council Act 2013, the Kenya Access Information Act 2016, the Defamation Act Cap 36, the Books and the Newspapers Act Cap 111, Copyright Act Cap 130, Computer and Cybercrime Act, Film and Stage Players Act Cap 222 of 1962, Official Secrets Act Cap 187 of 1968, Communication Commission of Kenya Act 1998, Kenya Broadcasting Act Cap 2021 of 1998, and the ICT Act of 2007. The provisions in these laws are also not elaborate and do not adequately protect personal data that is collected. In absence of comprehensive law, more concrete legislation to protect citizens' data would be welcome. In conclusion, the introduction of this bill is a good step towards better protection of data and privacy for Kenyans. In order to effectively achieve data protection and privacy, the bill should align with universal mechanisms, including the African Union guidelines. The bill also needs to be thoroughly reviewed to eliminate ambiguity and ensure the right to privacy is not abused in any way through this legislation, while also finding a way to balance the personal and business interests of Kenyans and not compromise on national security. It's very paramount that today we live in a global village and many things are happening. Some information given out without proper protection, we are likely to have, even today, attacks from the information that we give blindly without knowing. So this bill is very important. If you have any information to give to these members, to this committee, we will capture it.
Ile habari tunapatia serikali italindwa kwa njia gani? Ukisema uko na eka 10 ya shamba ama uko na ng'ombe 5, serikali italinda hiyo habari umepeana kwa serikali kwa njia gani? na mimi nataka kusema ya kwamba hii sheria ni muhimu sana, ili wananchi waweze kuamini serikali yao ya kwamba ile habari wanapeana kwa serikali itatunzwa vilivyo. Kwa hayo,
so feel free and say what you think is good, because this is personal data that is going. We need that data to be protected. We need to ensure for that protection. A lot of data is being picked, a lot of data is being circulated. With the internet to date, there is a lot that is happening, and we need to ensure we cap and protect each member's information, wherever that information is. So we are here for that purpose, and I thank you for that. Thank you.
Katika hii data protection bill tunaongea kuhusu, kwanza lazima tu establish ofisi ya Data Protection Commission. Pia tujue hiyo ofisi itapewa pesa kivipi. Pia tujue ile data itaokotwa kivipi. Pia tujue sensitive data itaokotwa itaprocessiwa kivipi. Pia tujue itawekwa wapi ile data. Pia tujue kuna international bodies kina Google, kina nani, how do we share the data that we have kwa hii data protection bill? Tunachungaje data ya kila mwananchi wa Kenya ambao tutaokota? Hiyo data tunaitumia kivipi? Katika hii bill pia tualeta mambo ya faini gani zitapigwa. Mtu akitumia data vibaya, faini gani zitapigwa kwa ule mtu? The fines and the laws that will be put together to protect the whole data that is brought about. Pia, mechanism for reporting crimes about data protection or reporting management of funds for the office PON established. But in data protection bill, don't look at it from a small perspective. Look at it from a very broad perspective. From the office, from the management of data, from collection of data, skule tulikuwa tunapata huduma namba. Tuliokota kivipi? Ona sasa angalia mambo kwa kubwa sana, so that we have a comprehensive bill. This bill is in the first reading, so we still have an opportunity to bring in a lot of meat to the bill.
For a commission, this is a copy of it. God bless you. Nataka nisonge hapa. Haya, sawa sawa.